Are you looking for the best hanging egg chairs in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best hanging egg chairs that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the outdoor Wicker Teardrop hanging chair. If you want a swinging chair that bears unfavorable weather and user elements, the above by Christopher Knight Home does not disappoint. The use of premium polyester for the seat cushions offer a soft and sturdy service. Also, it's weatherproof and UV resistant for added safety to keep you safe as you bask under the sun. For simple cleanup, remove the pillows and wash to keep the seating area hygienic and debris-free. This product has an intricate design featuring iron and wicker to bring out a modern feel in any environment. It complements most accessories on a patio, backyard, and more places. Add this seat near a pool, in a sunroom, garden, outdoor bar, and deck confidently, thanks to its wide application. Measuring 23.5 x 38 by 48 inches, it is large enough to fit most relaxation needs like reading, napping, swinging, and watching a favorite TV show. The iron frame has a dimension of 44 by 44 by 80 inches and supports the entire unit to prevent breaks and unsteadiness. Moving on at number 4. We have the Flowerhouse FHEC 100BRK egg chair. The reason this chair has made it on this list is because of its stylish design. Resembling an egg, it acts as a safe place to lounge and unwind after a long day. The shade matches with most decor and also less hectic to clean. If you have a friend that needs a hassle-free seating, whether indoors or outdoors, this doubles as a thoughtful gift. Constructed using weatherproof fabric, makes it ideal for all seasons anywhere, anytime. Choose from the wide color choices to add onto your porch or garden. The overall height is 66 inches, which is tall enough to accommodate most body shapes, and the opening measure 35 by 43 inches for maximum support. The deep cushions are firm and yet soft for additional comfort and support free from discomfort. With a quality chair cushion, it is spacious and easy to maintain by using standard cleaning solutions. This eliminates buying expensive cleanup tools, hence a cost-effective product. The lightweight style weighs 62.5 pounds to allow simple movement from and to another location. At number 3, we have the Hammock Chair with lights. If you live in a household with multiple people and pets, you can rest in a similar place without interfering with each other's space. The Kaidan Hammock Chair has a large seating area measuring 25.7 by 21.6 by 50 inches, to accommodate a whole family. This is great for kids who love playing or relaxing with their pets and at the same time have freedom of movement. It comes with a solid cotton rope which supports different individuals without breaking. We take note of the square ergonomic style, which adds comfort. Tea when reading, sunbathing, chatting, and basking. The above unit has a long 12 meters LED light to brighten up a place while leaving a warm ambiance. Another thing is the presence of an iron tube featuring white painting to enhance the overall look and give you easier cleaning time. You can hand wash the removable parts to leave the seating area smell-free and germ-free. The design works well for indoors and outdoors to set on a balcony, sunroom, bedroom, backyard, and even in your kids' room. At number 2, we have the Hammock Chair Hanging Rope Swing. We love this chair's quality assurance that gives you a sturdy and yet soft seating with a premium blend of polyester and cotton. The fabrics don't tear easily like the others and have a better moisture resistance to eliminate smells. That means your children and pets are safe anytime they swing around the backyard and placement spot. Not only that, but supports up to 320 pounds without the worry of breaking and other damages. Apart from setting it on a terrace or balcony, you can hang around in a cocoon-like position to listen to birds, crickets, rain without distortions. Comes with a hanging rope to allow you to mount on a suitable location, a hanging bag for simple storage and carrying. Open and throw this unit inside to have smooth transport in any weather condition. The wood is approximately 40 by 50 inches and the pillow measure 18 by 18 inches to give you maximum comfort. Fluff out the 2 provided pillows to have a relaxing stay while reading a book. This fashionable accessory hammock is durable for you to enjoy a sponge-like feel. And finally at number 1. We have the Resin Wicker Espresso Hanging Egg Chair. When you spot an Island Bay logo in a product, you know you are getting quality stuff. This chair from them is among the best of the best because of its stability and dependability. It comes with a unique tufted khaki cushion that not only looks great but also makes any setting more inviting. Set it in your favorite spot around the backyard, loft, deck and beside the pool for better serenity. The stand is stable and robust to deliver shake-free and vibration-free seating. Also, it adds support to the whole unit better than others with the same cost. Surround yourself with outdoor beauty at the comfort of your home. This seat is wrapped in durable resin wicker containing an espresso finish to offer a gorgeous style in any room. Featuring a reliable polyester pillow, you can perform different actions more comfortably like reading, napping, and relaxing. The extra support of the steel stand lets you enjoy a safe stay every time of the day. This is undoubtedly the best hanging egg chair you can find on the internet. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.